We're so glad you've joined us in giving nature a helping hand. Our cozy birdhouse isn't just a charming addition to your garden or balcony, it's a small but meaningful way to invite more life in. By giving birds a safe place to nest and rest, you're helping nature thrive right on your doorstep. Let's take a closer look at our cozy birdhouse. First, we have a beautifully crafted exterior house, and then a matching interior house, designed with care inside and out. Each side has a unique opening. The different openings attract different kinds of species. The interior piece rotates and simply clicks into the exterior piece like this. And by working together with the best experts in Europe, we've designed it to offer the best for any bird, keeping them cool, safe, and dry. Made from entirely 100% recycled plastic and built to last a lifetime. A cozy place for birds to nest and rest, helping them thrive in our ever-changing environment. You can easily mount it to a wall using the screw or to a tree using the straps. And now, to help birds feel at home, follow these easy steps. Birds prefer a peaceful, sheltered spot, so avoid direct sunlight and face the house north or east to protect from wind and rain. Late winter to early spring is ideal, just before nesting starts. Keep birdhouses and feeders at least 3 meters apart. For the same species, try to aim for 10 meters or more. Birds like personal space too. No cleaning is needed. The birds take care of it themselves, keeping their space just the way they like it. And now all that's left is to sit back and enjoy nature.